Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the turn signals on the front of a Chevrolet HHR. You don't need the jack, but it makes it a lot easier. First of all, you want to turn the wheel. If you're replacing the right turn signal, turn the wheel all the way to the left. It'll give you more room in the wheel well. Then jack up the car. Okay, after you get the car jacked up, then you're going to take a socket, 9/32. And you're going to take this screw out right here. That screw is holding that on. Then you're going to need to take these poppets out. Alright, you get these poppets out by prying your pliers behind there and prying them out. And they'll come out. Alright. Then, the wheel well cover out. And you put your hand up in there. Oh, got it. Alright, there's your turn signal bulb. Pull it out. Yeah, at least all corroded and crap. Or it might be the grease. Put your new one in. Put the turn signal bulb in. Pry this back down. Put your tappet back in. Put your screw back in. And you're done. And that's how to replace a turn signal bulb or a headlight.